Had a question from someone that wanted to know about laxatives. Are they dangerous or are they okay? Well, I guess they would be dangerous. Some people might get addicted to them for some reason, or if you have diarrhea when you take them, that could potentially, cause a loss of electrolytes, in which case you'd want to just add them back. But I'm just going to say this, the danger of having constipation, having your body in the state where it's auto-intoxication, where you're having toxins being reabsorbed, is way worse than the slight minor problems with any type of laxative. So if you have constipation, definitely as a coping mechanism, take an herbal laxative. One good one would be cascara, sagrada. There's many others, but definitely take the herbal laxatives instead of having constipation as you're figuring out what's really causing the constipation. It's much easier to correct constipation if it happened recently, because there's usually been a change in the diet. Maybe you added too much fiber, or you took fiber away and you consumed higher protein. In that case, just make adjustments to revert that change. But if you had constipation chronically, it is more difficult. There's several things that I always recommend to help this condition. One is MCT oil. That will loosen up your bowels. All right, taking bile salts will give you a laxative effect. It could be the very reason why you have constipation is that you're lacking bile. So by taking it, you can actually correct the cause. Let's say, for example, you don't have a gallbladder, or you have gallstones, or there's some problem in your liver in which your body is not making these bile salts. If you're vitamin B1 deficient, that can cause constipation. If you're low in potassium and magnesium, that can cause constipation. And the foods that are high in magnesium and potassium are vegetables. So if you're not consuming any vegetables, you might want to start, because that could help you. And that relates to this one right here, adjusting the fiber. So either increasing the fiber from vegetables or decreasing the fiber, because I do know some people, if they overload the system with too many vegetables, that can cause constipation because they don't have the microbes there to deal with that fiber. Then we have probiotics. It could be very simple that you just do not have the quantity of microbes in your large intestine. Maybe you've had a series of antibiotics early on and that's what created the problem, but taking these could greatly help you. And then fasting is also important, because if you have constipation and you fast, it'll allow your system to have a chance to reset, especially if there's stress within the digestive tract. All right, thanks for watching. Hey, if you're liking this content, please subscribe now, and I will actually keep you updated on future videos.